Hello, well, I am now the proud owner of both the UK and US versions of the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Now, the US version only arrived in my hands today, hence it's still very much sealed in its pack. The UK version I've had for about a month. So we'll look at this one first. This one has already had its battery tag removed, so I'll be able to get this out quickly and make noises with it and what have you. So there we go. There is the UK one. I'll try and hold it up as close as possible and let the camera focus on it. I personally think the UK one is a bit rough and ready. There's not much detail on it, and it looks a bit sort of, well, soft, for the sake of a better word. You've got two modes. I mean, it fits easily in the hand. When you put it in the hand, suddenly it all lights up like that. You've got two modes. You can go, and you can also go, once it's making a, I'll hold this closer up to the camera so you can hear it better. So that's your UK one. Now, up till now, I've only had to buy one screwdriver, because we get a screwdriver, it lights up, it makes nice noises, and you go, yay, I've got the screwdriver, and it joins the collection. And this one's been sitting neatly in a box for a few weeks, awaiting the arrival of this one, because I've been wanting to make this video as soon as I found out that there were two different screwdrivers. So we'll put you away for now, we'll put you on one side. Now, as I say, literally this has arrived today, so bear with me, I'll grab a pair of scissors and we will unbox it. Quite literally unbox it right here on camera. So, click, click, there it comes. Nice colourful box. So at the moment it will do nothing because I've not pulled out the battery tab. There's the little battery tab we have to remove. And now, the US one. Oh, hang on. I'm not sure if it's louder, but yeah, that is the US one. And so you have that sound, you have, so it will turn and do the alternative sound effects. So again, I will hold it up closer to the camera so you can hear it and see it. Well, so you can hear it at any rate. Now I can't get it to do the spinny thing. Oh, so the bottom button, I don't know if I can get the camera to focus on it, but there's, Alexa, turn light off. Ooh. Both modes are particularly effective in the dark. Alexa, turn light on. So yeah, there's the US one, as you can see here. Wait for the light to get a bit brighter. The US one has got more detail on it. And if I get the other one out of the box, you can do a size comparison. So UK in right hand, US in left hand. Now our UK one is bulkier. The US one is slimmer, and they're pretty much identical when it comes to length. But as I've just said, the US one has got more detail on it, and the US one has got that snazzy spin mode, whereas the UK one if I get it in the hand properly. That button just lights it up, whereas the US one, it actually spins it, which is, let's face it, more screen accurate. But the UK one has this nice thing that when you pick it up, the light comes on. So it's a really weird. It's a really weird comparison. The UK one has got the facility of pick it up and it lights up. No, it's not going to do it. And the US one, I do prefer the American one. It feels more screen accurate. We've got all this lovely sort of wood detail on it. It's a pity it's not brighter in here, but unfortunately it is the evening, and so you're having to deal with artificial light. I can add a bit more light to it so you can see it better. So there you go, there is the US one. It's probably not the best lighting in the world, but UK, US. They're almost identical in weight too. But yeah, both now available on Amazon.co.uk. So it's just as well I did wait a few weeks, or had to wait a few weeks, because I was going to buy this one off eBay, but the import charge was something like £75. So I went, well, I've got the UK one, I'll wait till next payday, and so I waited till next payday, and here it is off UK Amazon. So, a tale of two screwdrivers. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all the usual things with YouTube, and goodbye.